Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's asking me about numbering pages. So what you need to do, and you can put them anywhere you want. We're going to go to File, New Document, and right here is where you want to type in 25 or how many ever pages you want and the size of page you want. So this is normally set on 1 for default. Change that to 25, hit OK. It's going to bring up a document, and then go to Layout, insert page number on all pages, and then I've already got a 1 there. You can move it wherever you want. You can size it. If you have this lock ratio locked, you could change it to 1 inch. And then you just need to kind of think about the other numbers. So you want to go up here to Center Justified. And then if you look, all your pages have a number. And then if we get to double digits, it's still there. And you can always go to View, Page Sorter View, and it's going to show you all the pages. This would be pretty helpful for somebody that's making a document and wants numbers. You can get out of that by just unclicking it. And you could do it on any page, but you could take and make that text red. And then if you look, all the pages now have red. You can do the same thing by clicking on it and making it a different font. We'll use this one right here, totally different font. You know, it doesn't have to be on that page. You can do it from any page. Let's make it that font. And now if you see all the text is that same size. I could have put it in the center of the page. I could have put it left, right, top, center, wherever you want to do. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.